I can't film like this. Alright, welcome to Tellier Science, and today I'm going to teach you how to breathe fire. The three ingredients you're going to need for this is cornstarch, a torch of some kind, and some water. Alright guys, so the first step of breathing fire is obviously practicing your breaths. So before you put any cornstarch in your mouth at all, you're going to want to practice breathing. So in through the nose, fill your lungs full, and then you're going to forcefully push out as much air as you possibly can, right? That's how you're going to get the largest fireballs instead of just these little, anyway. So practice breathing in and blowing out as much as you can. So when you're practicing, don't do it in front of anyone else who doesn't know what you're doing, because it's going to look pretty weird, okay? So you're just going to breathe in. And I blew my camera back here. So just here, I have a water bottle full of cornstarch. That's a lot better than just grabbing some and then shoveling it into your mouth, because that's just awkward and no one wants to do that. So let's go out and let me demonstrate for you guys, all right? Alright, so the only thing that you'll need to remember is to swish some water around your mouth just to get rid of any excess cornstarch that might still be remaining. In order to store the cornstarch, I use a bottle because it's a lot easier. But the only hard part is loading the bottle. I have this silicone thing here, and I just have to pour in some cornstarch. And if it's solid, you're just gonna have to tap it a lot of times or find something to push it through. But what I do is I just squeeze the bottom here, and it goes nice and smoothly. Also, when you put the cornstarch in your mouth, you want to shake it a little bit, just so it settles, and then you're going to want to put a little more. That gives you the maximum fireball. And don't blow at your arm, because I did singe a couple arm hammers, just trying to film this episode a couple minutes ago. The whole garage smells like burnt hairs. Alright guys, thank you for watching my new video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for any future projects that I can do in the next week or so to show you guys, please leave them down in the comments below. I hope to see you guys soon, because I hope to be posting a little bit more often, and see you guys later.